Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. Ask me a stock and I will cover it for you from the long, medium to short term perspective based on the studies of Ichimoku, which is a Japanese based study on multi time frame analysis, and harmonic trading patterns, which are derived out of Fibonacci. So, if you would like me to cover a stock for you, do write it up in the comment section and I will take it up. Please note it should be from the large, mid, or small cap segment, no micro cap stocks, please. Now, a disclaimer, this is not a trading or investing advice to you. This video is purely a educational talk based on the studies of Ichimoku and harmonics. Please do your study carefully before coming to a final decision on whether you would like to invest or trade in the stock. And also, please note, there is no monetary transactions or fees asked for this video. Now, today's talk is Data Patterns. Data Patterns was listed in 2022, but it is a 35-year-old company and is among India's fastest growing defense and aerospace electronic company. It is a supplier for parts to the BrahMos missile, the LCA Tejas, and light utility helicopters. Its revenue breakup is DRDO 48%, BrahMos missiles 8%, exports 9%, Bharat Electronic Limited 3%, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited 16%, and the rest is 16% here there. So the bulk of its business, which is around 48% to 50%, comes from the government of India. Its quarter four results, which were declared on the 16th of May, had a very substantial increase in both revenue and profit. However, the operating profit margin has seen a slight dip. Now, before I go on to analyze the stock, let me inform you that my courses on Ichimoku and harmonics and trading pattern psychology risk management are available. These are made into videos along with PDF level wise, chapter wise, with breakups into small segments with loads of examples for both the bullish and bearish scenarios. Both Ichimoku and harmonics are available in English as well as in Hindi. Trading psychology and risk management is an extremely important factor if you want to be successful in trading or if you want to expand and put a lot of money in the market. However, most traders are either not aware of it or ignore it. And this is the prime reason why we get to hear from SEBI that 90% traders are in losses because it's more about trading discipline and risk management, less about analysis. Along with the course, you will get in this course, you will get bonus material, which is on how which other technical studies complement Ichimoku and harmonics, and they are also explained briefly. How to do relative sector rotation, and among that, how to find out the stocks which are doing strong, which are appearing weak, and then also based on the market trend in which you are currently trying to take a trade and your own risk profile, which option strategies will suit you time to time. Finally, there is a SWOT analysis, which is a self-assessment kit, which is taught to you on how to regularly assess yourself and identify your strengths, your weakness, which you need to work on, the opportunities which are there in which you can still thrive, and threats, areas in the market and styles of scenarios which you should completely avoid as they may not suit you. So if you the details of the course are there in the description box, you can check out the link. And if you have any doubt, you can shoot out an email to me and I will get back to you on the matter. So now let's go and analyze the stock. As you can see, listing is fairly new, 2021-22, and from there, a superb rally took place in the stock. And finally, in 24 July, when the entire mid cap, small cap space particularly topped out, we saw a correction which was in line with the entire market. So no, it was not that only this stock or this segment was falling. We saw an entire market steep correction and then a phenomenal return. But this correction has been almost 78% of its entire rally post its lows made post listing from the to the highs. So a steep correction and now an equally sharp bounce back. As per the monthly, the support is now it's at 2500 and below that at 22,150 as per the Ichimoku study. Now let's have a look at the weekly time frame and try to assess what lies out there. So in the weekly, apart from the Ichimoku, there is a bullish harmonic ABCD pattern which saw a reversal, an extreme sharp reversal took place, and then April 7th, like a double bottom out here. From there, it's been a non-stop move. Of course, the stock has done wonders with the BrahMos missile. We had a kind of a war with Pakistan, which led to defense stocks moving ahead. But this stock seems to have still a lot of potential. The weekly Kumo is still bearish, which means there is a possibility of the stock going sideways to do a pullback in the next couple of weeks. The weekly resistance is right now at 3,300 with support coming in at 27, 2650, and then all the way down to 2250. So keep that factor in. The weekly scenario is could be a little bit of consolidation happening. Also, the stock has activated a bullish harmonic seahorse for which there is potential of upside. But before I come to that, let's have a look at the daily time frame also. In the daily time frame, you can see that today's candle, that is Monday, has seen a sharp pullback taking place out here. That's profit booking, not too much of worry factor, because that, like I said in the weekly Ichimoku, suggesting some stalling could happen out here. The daily time frame has resistance at its high today, 31, approx 3150, with support coming in at 2500, and then all the way down to 2200 odd levels. So these are the levels one should be keeping in mind for the stock. In case there is a pullback, like I said, that the stock has given us a bullish harmonic seahorse breakout, which is suggesting very strong upside in it. So my suggestion, or how would I do this stock, is that I would like to accumulate this stock between on the upside till 3200 and 32 3300, and on the downside I would be looking till 2500. So it's a long range to see. On the upside 500 rupees, downside 300 rupees. Take this opportunity till the future more turns bullish out here, and one can then add, during this phase, this till this turns bullish, use this range and keep adding, as much opportunity at the dip in this case, and look for tremendous potential upside. Now, what are the potentials for upside for the stock? The bullish harmonic seahorse target is suggesting 4,000. Apart from that, the Ichimoku price theory has targets of 4175, of 5,250 odd, and then 6,000. Of course, these are long-term targets. The 4,000 would be a short to medium term target for me, totally depending. Short term, I would like to say medium term, totally depending on how much time it consolidates in this zone. If it takes off and does not stop, say at 3350, 3400 out here, then the movement will be super fast. Else one can expect it to be in a range consolidation and then a massive move on the upside. So overall, stock with tremendous potential for both medium to long term and even the short term. If one were to see, one should not miss the opportunity to add. The harmonic pattern seahorse would be a failure if it fails to hold 2100 on a weekly basis, which is fair enough for a risk reward setup considering the range we can accumulate the stock. So I do hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and do follow me for regular stock and index ideas. Until then, all the best with your trading scenarios and best wishes for your investing.